Everyone, my name is Sanjay and Srinidhi of grade 9. Today we are going to talk about Know Your Greens Day.
What is Green Day?
Well, actually, Green Day is a day where we all come together to celebrate the green vegetables that help us in our life. What is the importance of Green Day?
This day, the Green Day is a day which is dedicated to share the goodness of the day. And there are many vegetables, which is broccoli, cabbage, green beans, and cucumber, etc. Well, you know the benefit of it?
Well, some of the benefits of the green vegetables are cucumbers have vitamin C and K, cabbage have calcium, fibers and vitamin C and K, broccolis have the calcium, green beans help us in our digestive system and also have vitamin C and K. Green vegetables help us keep away from diseases and more.
Yes, and you are correct. But green vegetable also helps. When you eat your green, and it is a reminder that we have to eat the green, and it keeps our health stay longer. And let us keep our planet clean.
Go green, breathe clean.
Thank you.
Thank you.